So why do I change back to Galaxy Watch instead of Galaxy Watch 3? So today I will talk about it coming up. Oh, before I start this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video. I will give you good content every single week, so stay tuned. And plus, I do not give false informations on my channel. When I post any videos on my channel, it comes from a legit source. So please calm down and stay healthy. So one more thing, if you actually, after watching this video and you said that you like this watch, you actually, save a lot of money by just getting this watch. Let's see. All right, after watching this video and you said that, I like this, you actually save at least like $200-300 at least for this watch. All right, so let's get the video rolling. So there's actually 3 big reasons why I keep this watch instead of the Galaxy Watch 3. So the first main reason is the battery. The battery for the Galaxy Watch is so much better than the Galaxy Watch 3. The difference is actually pretty big. I'm talking about 1 to 4 days, okay? Sometimes I can get up to 4 days with this watch, even though I use it more than 1 year already. On the other hand, on the Galaxy Watch 3, I cannot get more than 2 days. And I'm not sure, maybe because of my setting, but I can get this watch over 2 days. But on the Galaxy Watch 3, I won't able to do it. So the second main reason is actually the design of the Galaxy Watch. So the Galaxy Watch the design is actually nicer than the Galaxy Watch 3. When I wear this watch, I have more compliments than the Galaxy Watch 3. But on the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is a little bit smaller. It's not silver, surrounding. And I think this one looks good anytime when I change the watch face. No matter which watch face I change to, this looks really good. I think there's only some watch face it looks good on the Galaxy Watch 3. This one, it looks way, way, way better. So the main third reason and the final reason is, and you should know about this, is the strap. So Galaxy Watch 3, they came with the leather strap. But if you're a person very athletics, you play sports all the time, anytime when you sweat with the leather strap, it's very annoying. Like rashes on your hand, that is very, very disgusting. These are not leather straps, okay? You have a choice to change your leather strap if you want, but I do not want to do that because I usually still play sports. I still play badminton. Anytime when I sweat, it doesn't stick on my hand right here. I feel so much more comfortable wearing this. It doesn't feel disgusting when I'm playing sports, but when I have leather straps, it's so annoying. I don't know why, it's so disgusting. So that's the reason why I changed to Samsung Galaxy Watch. And the main reason is because of these 3 reasons, alright? Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and yes, after maybe more than a year now, this battery is still pretty good, alright? Stay tuned. I will have another video very soon. Alright? Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.